Good evening, everyone, students. Welcome to free online coaching for Polycet. I would like to invite Arun sir to start the session. Arun sir? Yes, students, please wait for a few seconds. Inform your friends to join. Yes, inform your friends to join. This is a free coaching for Polycet. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Take a second to subscribe our channel and get benefited. I would like to invite Arun sir to start the session.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Hello, students. Hello, everyone. Good evening. How are you all doing today? Students, today let's do chemistry, chemical equations, a bit of theory, and then we'll go for questions. And one important thing, balancing of equations, we're going to do tomorrow in detail. And not just balancing of equations, but almost every topic we'll do in detail. All right, let's get started. Students, let's quickly read the important points. Substances which undergo chemical change in the reactions are called reactants, and the new substances formed are called products. In reaction, reactants are written on the left side of the arrow, and the final products, final substances or products are written on the right side of the arrow. And the arrow points from products faces the product showing the direction of the reaction. All right, arrow shows the direction of the reaction. This is very important because you can have bidirectional reactions. Arrow shows the direction of the reaction. All right, let's go for the next point. And if there is more than one reactant or product involved in the reaction, you indicate that with the plus sign between them. That means A plus B gives rise to C plus D. All right. For example, here, calcium oxide plus water gives rise to calcium hydroxide. Reactants are calcium oxide and water, and the product is calcium hydroxide. Now, this is a word equation. Now, this reaction can also be written like this. CaO plus H2O gives rise to COH twice. Now, students, this is just the bare chemical reaction, but we can give more information by adding certain important factors, important symbols. We can make the chemical equation more informative. So the characteristics of the reactants and products can be written, which are physical state, heat exchangers, that is endothermic or exothermic reaction, gases involved, if any, and precipitate formed, if any. Okay. For example, you've got a reaction Fe2O3 plus 2Al gives rise to 2Fe plus Al2O3 on heating. Look at that. Delta symbol on the arrow gives it means heating. You're heating the reactants. And S over there with the symbols over here with the formulae represents that they are solids. All right, let's look at the next reaction. Over here, we're also showing the heat exchangers. C, which is in solid form, plus O2, which is in gaseous form, gives rise to CO2, which is gaseous, plus Q. Heat is released, that's why exothermic reaction. In the next equation, where N2 plus O2 gives rise to 2NO, heat is absorbed. So minus Q over there, endothermic reaction. Q is the heat energy, which is shown by plus sign on the product side for exothermic and minus sign on the product side for endothermic reactions. Another example where we show the gas released with an arrow mark. The arrow mark is missing over here. That's a mistake. So Zn plus H2SO4 gives rise to ZnSO4 plus H2. Zn is in solid form. H2SO4 is in aqueous form. Aqueous means in water. ZnSO4 is again dissolved in water plus H2 is released. Another equation where a precipitate is formed. AgNO3 plus NaCl, both in aqueous form, gives rise to AgCl, which is in solid form, formed as a precipitate in the reaction, plus NaNO3, which is again in aqueous form. All right. So precipitate and gas release are shown by an arrow. Downward arrow represents a precipitate. Upward arrow represents a gas released. Sometimes the reaction conditions such as temperature, pressure, and catalyst are indicated above or below the arrow of the equation. Just now we have seen delta represents heat, heating of the reaction, heating of the reactants. Another example is 2AgCl. Under the conditions that it's exposed to sunlight, it gives rise to 2Ag plus Cl2. Solids, S is solid and G is gaseous state. Another reaction over here, 6CO2 plus 6H2O gives rise to C6H12O6 plus 6O2 under the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. All right. So this is how we represent equations. We can make them more informative by representing the characteristic form of their characteristics of the substances like solid state, aqueous solution, or gaseous state, gas release or precipitate form, whether it is heated, whether it's endothermic or exothermic, all such things. All right, students, let's go for questions. Are you all ready for questions? All right. I want all the responses, students. Getting many, but not all. All right, let's go ahead. Students, attempt cheyandi. Attempt cheyadam tappu em ledu. That will improve your confidence subconsciously. ఒకవేళ తప్పు పోతే కరెక్ట్ చేసుకోండి. Here's a question. Which of the following is a chemical change? Rusting of iron, burning of coal, digestion of food, all the above. Which of these is a chemical change, he's asking. Okay, here are the answers. Pranati is right. Pranati is right. And who else? Oh, they are all scrolling faster than I can read. Jyoti, Saujanya, Vishwant. Vishwant, I'll come back to your question, but right now let's focus on this question. All right? Okay, Gyaneshwar, Agnivesh. And please direct your answers to Jet Arun, students. If at all you're not directing your answers to Jet Arun, please direct your answers to Jet Arun so that I receive your answers. All right, let's get the key. 4 is absolutely right, students. Okay, let's look at the next one. Formula for limestone is COH twice, CaCO3, CaO, CnO3 taken twice. Consistent response this time. There's the wrong answer as well. All right, Riya is right, Sharan is right, Sai Charan is right. Agnivesh has a confusion, okay. Agnivesh, please correct your answer after we reveal the key. Naga Harshvardhan is right. Harshita is right. Jyoti is right. Bhavana is right. All right, let's look at the key, students. Limestone is CaCO3. CO is quicklime, students. Option number 3 is quicklime. All right, let's go for the next one. Unbalanced equation is called the basic equation, skeleton equation, stoichiometric equation, fundamental equation. Unbalanced equation is called. What do you mean by unbalanced? When you have an equation, what equation transformed into chemical formulae, it's just written as A plus B is equal to C plus D, gives rise to C plus D. What is that equation which is called, which is not balanced? What is it called? Unbalanced equation. No, that's an unbalanced equation, Raghu. But what is it called? What is also called as? Basic equation, skeleton equation, stoichiometric equation, fundamental equation. Yes, Saicharan, that's absolutely right. Taruni is right. Uh, who else? Redmi is right. I don't know your name. Sorry. Bhavana, Sharan, Mahesh, Raghu. All right, Srinidhi. I'll remember. All right, Redmi 9A is Srinidhi. You could have changed your name. Next time, you please write your name as your ID name. All right, let's look at the next one. Yes, option two. Priya is right. Vishwant is right. All right. Yogita is right. Harshita is right. Saivardhan is right. Raghu is right. Okay, Monica has a detailed statement. Good. Vaishali is right. Bhavana is right. All right, let's look at the key. Skeleton equation, student. It's called skeleton equation. Absolutely right. So many are right. Even there are more students whose names I could not read. Sorry for that because there are so many names which are scrolling up faster than I can read. All right, let's go for the next one. I really appreciate your energy, students. The substances that are present on the left-hand side of the chemical equation are called, on the left-hand side, we just now talked about reactants, products, reagents, byproducts. Okay, one. Yogita says one. Left side, students, left-hand side. Okay, Agnivesh, Gayatri, Nandini, Monica, Jyoti, Taruni, all right. Riya is right. Vishwant is right. Gayatri, Bhavna, Varun Tej, Harshita, think again. Left-hand side, students. Mohammed Faisal is right. Pranati is right. All right. Couple of questions, couple of answers are wrong. That's okay. But do correct yourself. As I every time tell you, తప్పు పోతే ఏం తప్పు లేదు, but correct చేసుకోవడం is important. Correct చేసుకోకుండా అది పెద్ద తప్పు. Nothing wrong in going wrong, but right you're wrong. Raghu, left hand side he's talking about. So let's look at the key. It's reactants. Reactants give rise to products. All right. Now, formula for quicklime. Oh, I already told this one. Quicklime. COH twice, CaO, COCO3, CaSCO3 taken twice. I told this to you just 2 minutes ago. 2 minutes ముందు నేను చెప్పాను స్టూడెంట్స్ ఇది క్విక్ లైమ్ ఏంటని లైమ్ స్టోన్ మాట్లాడినప్పుడు ఆల్ రైట్ దెన్ ఇట్స్ రైట్ క్విక్ లైమ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ Janeshwar is right. Oh, they're spelling faster than I can read. Let me just check again. There are wrong answers as well. Let's look at the key. Quicklime is CaO, students. All right, it is CaO, not COH twice. Okay. All right, let's look at the next one. When quicklime is added to water, which of the following is formed? Limestone, lime water, quicklime, gypsum. When quicklime is added, it's calcium oxide, students. Raghu, it's calcium oxide. CO is calcium oxide. Okay, answer this one. Mixed response for this one. 2, 1, 1, 2, 2. CO is twice. Option 1, 2, 2, 1, 2. All right, let's do the key. Yes, there are right answers as well with a detailed statement. Good. All right, it's lime water. Lime water is absolutely right, students. All right, let's go for the next one. They're all just simple reaction based questions, students. Our reaction గుర్తుంటే మనం ఈజీగా చేయొచ్చు. The color of barium sulfate, BaSO4, precipitate is black, white, yellow, brown. Oh, interesting colors. Black and black, brown, white, and yellow. Okay, barium sulfate, BaSO4, precipitate color ఏంటి? Okay, someone say, I mean, some say brown, someone says yellow. It cannot be 2 and 3. I mean, it cannot be two options together. It's white, students. Barium sulfate precipitate is white in color. Students, these reactions, colors, precipitate colors, ఇవన్నీ demonstrate చేస్తాము. So as of now, you just remember, but once you see, you will believe. Seeing is believing. So మీరు చూస్తే ఒకసారి మీకు అర్థమవుతుంది. For that, you will have to subscribe to the channel. YouTube channel subscribe చేయండి, so that you will get to know the alert whenever you upload a demonstration or a experiment. All right, let's go for the next one. Which of the following is the smallest particle involved in a chemical reaction? Element, molecule, atom, ion. Smallest particle involved in a chemical reaction. Okay, 3, 2. Mixed response for this question. 4 as well. Okay, 4 and 1 as well. All right. Students, you don't have to repeatedly answer. You can answer just once. I can make a note of those who are answering. So you can actually be more comfortable than your efforts are putting. What you are putting. All right. Let's go to the key. It's atom, students. Atom is the smallest particle involved in chemical reaction. All right. Let's say you've got a reaction. All right. We'll look at the reactions, but it's atom. All right. 3 is absolutely right. Saicharan, Saujanya, Taruni, Saivardhan, Gayatri, many more. Navneet, Varun Tej, Jyoti, they're all right. Vishwant is right. All right. Let's look at the next one, students. A chemical equation which contains the same number of atoms of different elements on reactant side and product side is skeleton equation, balanced equation, unbalanced equation, any one of the above. Skeleton equation ante manam chusamu. We know what a balanced and unbalanced equation mean. We know all the three meanings, 1, 2, and 3. So we should be able to choose. Contains same number of atoms of different elements on reactant side and product side. Yes, good. Consistent response for this one. All right, Vaishali, that's good. That's good. You're participating and you're right, but I cannot read all the names, students, so please don't mind. There are so many names scrolling faster than I can read. Okay, let's look at the key. Yes, Srinidhi is right. Bhavna is right. Janeshwar is right. Monica is right. Gayatri is right. Right, all right, all right. Good, good, good. Yes, Vaishali, I really appreciate that you're taking part. Good. Go ahead with your answers, Vaishali. All right, let's look at the key. It's balanced equation. That's absolutely right, students. Here is the next one. A formula unit indicates 1 unit of atom, 1 unit of molecules, 1 unit of ion, all the above. I appreciate that most of you are participating, but I cannot read all the names. I'm sorry for that. But I appreciate your participation and all right, let's be quick because it's just a simple question. Here's the answer. The formula unit indicates all the above. All right. A unit of atom, unit of ion, unit of molecules, or I mean all the three, one, two, and three. Let's go for the next one. The products formed in the combustion of propane, C3H8, is or are CO2 only, H2O only, CO2 and H2O, CO, CO2 and H2O. When you the products formed in the combustion of propane. Propane is C3H8. It's an ane, alkane. CnH2n plus 2. Be quick, students, because we have got not many questions to cover. Okay, Priya, Vishwant. Vaishali says 3. All right. Srinidhi says 3. Bhavna says 3. Monica says 3. Tarun says 3. Saivardhan says 3. Gayatri says 3. Varun says 3. All right, let's look at the key. 3 is absolutely right, students. Excellent. Srinidhi, Gayatri, Vaishali, Mahesh, Varun Tej, Yogita. Good. Excellent. All right, let's go for the next one without further ado. Very simple question, students. I want a quick response. Chemical reactions in which energy is absorbed to form a new compound is called exothermic, endothermic, redox, balanced reaction. Exothermic, endothermic, redox, balanced. Pretty simple question, students. No confusion over here. It is absorbed. Energy is absorbed. Okay, I'll reveal the key because it's very pretty simple. Yes, endothermic reaction. Excellent. I got a consistent response, but there were students who have gone wrong. It's not redox reaction, students. It's endothermic. It has to be either endothermic or exothermic. You should have a confusion between endothermic or exothermic. But because you said energy is absorbed, if energy is released, it's exothermic. Energy is absorbed, it's endothermic. All right, let's go for the next one. Which of the following is not a double decomposition reaction? Double decomposition reaction kaadu. Out of these four, there is an odd man out. Odd one out. You can quickly spot. Yes, Riya. Varun Tej. Raghu. Gayatri. Mahesh. Harshita. Monica. Bhavna. Okay. Sai Charan. Yes, Ria, Monica. All right, let's go to the key. The names which I read are absolutely right. There are wrong answers as well. Please correct yourself. Yes, that's absolutely right, Sai Charan. All right, let's go for the next one. The color of lead oxide, PbO, is brown, red, black, yellow. Color of lead oxide, PbO, brown, red, black, yellow. Okay. Saivardhan. Right. Vishwant has got say 4. Amneet says 1. Gayatri is confusion. All right. I'll reveal the key because this is just a factual question, students. మీరు ఇది యాక్టివిటీ చూస్తే మీకు ఈజీలీ గుర్తుంటుంది. సో మీరు క్లాస్లో చూసినారో లేదు నాకు తెలీదు. But if at all you have seen this color, then you will easily remember it's yellow. All right. Let's go for the next one. When dilute hydrochloric acid is added to iron fillings, hydrogen gas and iron chloride are formed, chlorine gas and iron hydroxide are formed, no reaction takes place, iron salt and water are produced. Dilute hydrochloric acid is added to iron fillings. Hmm. Okay, consistent response, but there are wrong answers as well. So you're repeatedly answering, so all right, fine, that's okay. All right, let's look at the key, students. Option 1 is absolutely right. Most of you have said option 1, but there are students who have said no reaction takes place. No, reaction does take place, student. Reaction does take place. All right, let's look at the next one. A shiny brown colored compound X on heating in air becomes black in color. The element X in black colored substance is. This comes under qualitative analysis, students. The experiments colorful ఉంటాయి చాలా బాగుంటాయి. Shiny brown colored compound element X. Shiny brown colored element X on heating in air becomes black in color. Element X in black colored compound substances. Right? Vaishali says 1, Bhavana says 1, Nandini says 4, Raghu says 3, Varshita says 1, Navneet says 2 and 1. All right. Monica, Saivardhan, Vishwant. Let's look at the key. It's 2 is absolutely right, students. 2 is right. Shiny compound is copper, and the black color, when you heat it, it's copper oxide. Yes, Monica is right, Hanish is right, Priya is right. Yeah, many more. Many are right, but there were students who have gone wrong. That's okay. Going wrong, that's okay, absolutely okay. But correct yourself. That's very important. Now, exam is coming closer. It's very important that you correct yourself and remember the answer. Because these are all factual questions, students. The reason like it's not reasoning, no, it's not a reasoning based question, it's a factual question. ఒకవేళ చూస్తే మీరు కాంపౌండ్స్ గుర్తుంటుంది, but if at all you haven't seen it, you'll have to memorize it. All right, let's go to the next one. Which of the following is a bleaching agent? Dry chlorine, moist chlorine, dry HCl, all the above. Bleaching agent. Okay, let me see the right answers. Most of the answers are wrong, but let me look at the right answers now. Sai Charan is right. Sai Vardhan is right. Gayatri is right. Many more answers to come. I don't see all the names yet. Priya is right. All right, let's look at the key. Simple question, students. It's moist chloride. All right, bleaching agent is a moist chloride. Now, here's the reason why moist Cl2, moist chlorine, does act as, why does moist chlorine act as bleaching agent? In presence of water, Cl2 gives nascent hydrogen. In presence of water, Cl2 gives nascent oxygen. Moist chlorine imparts color to the substance. Moist chlorine liberates nascent chlorine. It's a good question, important question. Read the options carefully, students. Nascent hydrogen, nascent oxygen, nascent chlorine. All right, all right. Students, I really appreciate if you're participating, but if you're not, please participate. I don't see all the names. I can read out the names if you are not participating after a while. Let's look at the key. Yes, 2 is absolutely right, students. In presence of water, Cl2 gives nascent oxygen. All right. So that's the reason it acts as a bleaching agent. You will receive an attendance form shortly. Don't worry about it. Which of the following is not a type of chemical reaction? Combination, decomposition, displacement, dissociation. Which of these is not a form or type of chemical reaction? Okay. Saicharan, Riya, Monica, Sri, Agnivesh, Mahesh, Harshita, Bhavna, Monica. Okay. Srinidhi, I didn't get your answer. Just mention the option number. All right, let's go to the key. 4 is absolutely right, students. The names which I read are absolutely right. But if you just mention the number, it is easy for me to spot whether you're right or wrong. Yes, Srinidhi is right. Let's go for the next one. Here's the attendance form, students. Please fill up the form. Take a minute and fill up the form. Match the following question. MgO, magnesium oxide, lead oxide, copper oxide, calcium oxide. You have to match with their corresponding colors. White, yellow, black, or colorless. Good question. Interesting question. If you have seen these colors, seen these compounds, it's very interesting to see. All right. Okay. Ria, if you can mention the option number, I can easily correlate. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, below 1, that's option 3, students. All right, let's put the key. Yes. All right, 1 is absolutely right, students. Bhavna, uh, Monica, Ria. Okay, there are some wrong answers. Saicharan is right. Yeah, Ria is right. Yeah, Monica is right. You're repeatedly answering, so your name is appearing repeatedly. Students, all are not answering. There are few students who are not answering. Around 5 to 10 students are not taking part at all. Please take part and also fill the attendance form if you haven't filled it yet. Here's the next one. X on heating gives CaO plus CO2. Calcium hydroxide plus CO2, carbon dioxide gives rise to Y plus water. Then X and Y are. What on heating gives calcium oxide and carbon dioxide? Those who have filled, I appreciate, but those who haven't filled, please. Okay, focus on the question now. Okay, I'm sorry. Yes, Bhavana, Ria, Yogita. Oh, there are wrong answers as well. Just mention your response rules. It's easier for me to spot and decide if it's right or not. And any query you've got, you can definitely post it to 96422 There, our team will answer. Get back to you. All right, let's look at the key. Yes, 4 is absolutely right, students. The names which I read are right. Students, 2 Kadu. Most of the students have mentioned 2. It is not 2. 4. Yes, Sri, you are right. A chemical reaction involves breaking of bonds, formation of bonds, both 1 and 2, none of the above. Consistent response. Naga Harshvardhan, Srinidhi, Bhavna, Taruni, Monica, Varun Tej, Raghu, Agnivesh, think again. Shashank is right. Bhavna, all right. Varun Tej, I already told you. Sri, Raghu, yes. Yogita, Riya, Mahesh, Gayatri. So many are right. But there are a couple of wrong answers. Think again, students. రెండు అవుతాయి బ్రేకింగ్ ఆఫ్ బాండ్స్ అండ్ ఫార్మేషన్ ఆఫ్ బాండ్స్ రెండు అవుతాయి కదా ఒక ఈక్వేషన్ లో ఒక రియాక్షన్ లో కెమికల్ రియాక్షన్ లో all right so it's both 1 and 2 students okay let's go for the next one. What is the volume ratio of H2 and O2 produced by electrolysis of acidilated water? 1 is to 8, 2 is to 2, 2 is to 1, 1 is to 2, 2 is to 1, 1 is to 16. Yeah, Vishwan, tomorrow we'll be doing, yes, definitely we'll be doing, but in detail we'll do balancing of equations first, then we'll go for the next chapter. So we're going to do every chapter in detail, don't worry about it. Principles of metallurgy also will do. But any such query, Vishwant, if you just post it to the WhatsApp number, we'll keep a note of it. All right. So we don't lose track of what you want. Yeah, Raghu, please post that your query to WhatsApp number 96422 15226. All right, let's look at the key students. It's 1:2. All right, detailed solution is not available. All right, we'll talk about it. All right, this is a simple question. Molecular mass of H2O is. Quick response for this one. Simple question. Yes. For this, I got consistent response. Excellent. Excellent. That's 3 is absolutely right. Let's go to the next one. This is also a very simple one. Avogadro number Na is 6.625, 10 power minus 27, 9.1, 10 power minus 28, 6.00022 into 10 power 23, 6 into 10 power 20. Yes, consider response here as well. Good. Good knowledge about numbers. Again, quick answer. Gram molar volume is. How much is gram molar volume? Yes, consistent response, and that's right. 22.4 liters. Oh, my bad. That's on the wrong number. 2 is absolutely right, students. 2 is right. 2 is right. All right. 2 is absolutely right. You're all right. My bad. That's on the wrong number. Number of molecules present in 1 gram of hydrogen. 6 into 10 power 23. 3 into 10 power 23. 1 into 10 power 23. 2 into 10 power 23. 1 gram of hydrogen, students. All right. Let's look at the key students because we are running short of time. Yes, 2 is right. Saivardhan. Bhavna, Saivardhan. Sri. Agnivesh. Gayatri. Yes, good. Raghu. Vishwant. Shashank. All right. Let's go for the next one. Another quick standard question. STP conditions are 273 degrees and 1 bar, 273 Kelvin and 1 on atom, 273 Kelvin, 1 bar, 273 degrees centigrade, 2 bars. Quick response, students. Quick response. I'll give you the key in 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sri, if at all you are facing any problem in the Zoom, I suggest you quickly shift to YouTube channel. All right, Sri. Zoom లో ఏదైనా మీ end దగ్గర ఏదైనా ప్రాబ్లం వస్తే I suggest you switch to YouTube channel. Yes, option 3 is absolutely right, students. Under 3 చెప్పారు. Almost under 3 చెప్పారు. Which of the following statement is wrong? Spot the wrong statement, students. Conversion of milk into curd is a chemical change. Addition of water to quicklime liberates heat energy. Addition of aqueous Na2SO4, sodium sulfate to aqueous barium chloride forms clear solution. Calcium oxide produces colorless solution when dissolved in water. Yes, Saibardhan is right. Navneet is right. Saicharan is right. Srinidhi is right. Raghu is right. Dikshita is right. Bhavna is right. Harshavardhan Nayak is right. Shashank, Bhavna, Okay, see if you have got a confusion, just wait for the key. You'll get to know the answer. But remember the answer after it's repeat. So students, barium sulfate is a precipitate. It doesn't form a clear solution. Sodium sulfate, when it reacts with barium chloride, what you get is a barium sulfate and sodium chloride. Sodium chloride dissolves in the solution, but barium sulfate is found as a precipitate, white colored precipitate. మీ యాక్టివిటీ లో ఉంది ఇది టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ లో యాక్టివిటీలో ఉంది స్టూడెంట్స్ ఇది ఈ రియాక్షన్ ఉంది ఆల్రైట్ లెట్స్ గో ఫర్ ది నెక్స్ట్ వన్ in the reaction between Fe2O3 and air the number of moles of air involved in the balanced equation is all right balancing equations we are going to do in detail tomorrow so I suggest if you can answer this question that's okay but otherwise we can skip this question for now all right students are answering all right good balancing equations we're going to do in detail tomorrow students don't miss it detail ga chestamu balancing of equations we'll show how to balance the equations all right option 2 3 okay mixed response for this one okay that's what students you have a confusion between which how to balance the equation seems like that so that's why we'll do it in detail tomorrow it's two for two as of now we'll get into details of this reaction tomorrow and solve it again we'll get back to that question again students I'll keep a note of it in which of the following reaction gas is not evolved gas is not evolved reaction between zinc and H2SO4 between COH twice and CO2 decomposition of AgCl in presence of sunlight photosynthesis is not evolved gas is not evolved students hmm. 3 says 4 Gayatri 3 okay Bhavna Taruni Varun Tej Bhavna Vishwant Saivardhan Amneet Srinidhi Naga Saivardhan Naga Harshvardhan Agnivesh has a confusion that's okay I'll reveal the key students it's this one students 2 is absolutely right in all the other three remaining three there is a gas evolved in this one it's not evolved Cyber attendance form you want it again we'll send the attendance form within a minute again please do fill up the form those who haven't filled the form please fill up the form now which of the following is not an exothermic reaction out of these four reactions which of these is not an exothermic exothermic కాదు heat release కావట్లేదు exothermic is heat is being released yes Varun Tej is right Geeta is right Vishwant is right hmm. Right many students are right but there are equally good number of students who have gone wrong let's look at the key students yes 3 is absolutely right students అది exothermic కాదు if you haven't filled the form please fill up the form you will receive the form within a minute our team will send the form again here's the next question students which of the following statement is true molecular mass is expressed in unified mass all right okay my bad I've revealed the key please read the options and tell me the correct option true option right option Those who haven't filled the form, do fill the form. I appreciate the ones who have filled the form, but those who haven't, I request you to fill the form. All right. Yes, Vishwant is right. Agnivesh is right. Bhavana is right. But there are wrong answers as well. Seems like you haven't seen the key, but I released the key by mistake. Right, let's look at the key. It's all the correct. All of them correct, students. Again, another question. Which of the following is used to carry out decomposition reaction? Decomposition reaction key, which of these following is required? As a Does it require heat, light, electricity, or any one of the above? Decomposition reaction ki ఏది అవసరం? Yes, correct. Good. Bhavna is right. Saivardhan is right. Okay. Huh. Right. Let's look at the key. Varun Tej is right. Many students are right, but equal in number. I see wrong answers as well. Yeah, heat is definitely the one, but they think of light and electricity as well. There are uh, the reactions in which light is sufficient for us to carry out a decomposition reaction. All right, let's look at the key. Any one of the above students. Four is right. Four is absolutely right. Gayatri, Shashank, Varun Tej. All right, let's look at the next one. Heating of lead nitrate, PbNO3 twice, second twice, gives two gases X and Y. The color of X and Y is X is colorless, Y is colorless, X is red, Y is brown, X is brown, Y is colorless, X is green, Y is yellow. When you heat lead nitrate, what are the gases you get, students? Yes, Vishwant, one is correct, but there are two options which are correct. Three options. So all the above was correct, Vishwant. So four is correct. All the above are correct. All the above are used to carry out decomposition reaction. Students, what are the gases formed? One is when you heat lead nitrate, yes, Srinidhi, right. And there is one more gas formed. Okay. All right, let's look at the key, students. It's brown in color as oxygen and nitrogen dioxide. నైట్రోజన్ డైఆక్సైడ్ చాలా చూడడానికి చాలా బాగుంటుంది స్టూడెంట్స్. బ్రౌన్ కలర్ స్మోక్ లాగా వస్తుంది, మంచి క్లౌడ్స్ లాగా వస్తుంది. బ్రౌన్ కలర్ ఉంటుంది, బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఇన్ కలర్ చూడడానికి. అండ్ ఆక్సిజన్ ఇస్ కలర్లెస్. ఆల్రైట్. Okay, look at this. Heating of calcium carbonate gives two compounds X and Y. Aqueous solution of X turns red litmus blue. Aqueous solution of Y turns blue litmus red. That means one is basic, one is acidic. Then X and Y are. Calcium carbonate is heated. Students, ఇది మీరు రియాక్షన్ చూస్తే మీకు చాలా బాగా గుర్తుంటుంది. మీరు చూసారా తెలియదు నాకు, బట్ విల్ ట్రై టు షో దిస్ రియాక్షన్ సూన్. Here is the key, students. So X and Y are calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Yes, three are filtered. Saibardhan, Srinidhi, Bhavana, Yogita. Many names are right. Varun Tej, Naga Harshvardhan, Sai Charan. All right, let's go for the next one. Heating of which of the following compound gives acidic or basic oxide? Acidic and basic oxide. Lead nitrate, silver chloride, calcium carbonate, all the above. ఇదిగో స్టూడెంట్స్ క్వాలిటేటివ్ అనాలిసిస్ క్వశ్చన్స్ మీరు చూస్తేనే బాగుంటాయి. సో మెమరీ బేస్డ్ అట్లీస్ట్ రియాక్షన్స్ బుక్ లో అయినా మీరు యాక్టివిటీ చూడాల్సి వస్తుంది, చూడాలి. ఇట్స్ 3 స్టూడెంట్స్ ఇప్పుడే చూసాం మనం. కాల్షియం కార్బోనేట్, వి గాట్ బోత్ అసిటిక్ అండ్ బేసిక్ ఆక్సైడ్. ఇంతకు ముందు ప్రీవియస్ క్వశ్చన్ లో చూసాం. yes 3 is absolutely right. When copper wire is heated in presence of air, turns to black. The black compound is heated in presence of air, students. Copper oxide, copper sulfide, copper chloride. The first one is copper carbonate. Think, students, quick. Right, I'll reveal the key. It's copper oxide. Air kada, presence of air. So obviously you'll get an oxide. You cannot get sulfide, chloride, or carbonate. Otherwise, లేకుంటే మీరు కరెంట్ తో గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవచ్చు. Copper oxide is black in color. 3 is absolutely right, students. Good. Which of the following compounds are formed during the bleaching action of moist fluorine? HCl, HOCl, nascent oxygen, all are formed. Right, mixed response for this one. Let's go to the key. Students అందరు participate చేస్తున్నారు, but if at all you're going wrong, are you correcting yourself or not? I doubt. All right, do correct yourself. All are formed, students. All right, good. If you're correcting yourself, good. Good, Shashank. తప్పు పోతే ఏం తప్పు కాదు, student. Not a problem at all. It's a practice session itself. Practice session, the intention is that you attempt, commit a mistake, correct yourself. Good. Good, Harshvardhan, Srinidhi, Sri, good. I appreciate your response. Thank you for the response. All right, let's look at the next one. All right, students, with this we have completed chemical equations, but balancing equations inka undi. Balancing equations will continue tomorrow in detail, so don't miss it. Balancing of equations is very important, students, not just now but intermediate also. Chala methods untai, but we are going to focus on basic method, that which is required for 10th and entrance exams, like Polycet exam lo edi covers vastundi balancing of method, balancing equations method. We're going to focus on that tomorrow. All right, that's all. Now let's continue with the other subject, mathematics. I request Gayatri ma'am to take over.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good evening, students. Hope you all enjoyed your science session today. All right, so let's move on to maths. Just a second, let me share the screen. All right. All right, students. So today we are going to do logarithm, a very interesting and a very important topic. So before we go on to logarithm, I would like to quickly give you the important concepts in log. All right. So just note down if you have not noted it down earlier. Yes. So we have we have log AB. All right, so let me write it. Log AB, it's always assumed that we have a base E. What is log AB is log A plus log B. All right, so base is always E. What is log A by B is log A minus log B. And log A power B is B log A. All right. So quickly take down, because based on this, the sums would be done. All right. Next, what is log 1? Log 1 is always 0. All right. And what is log 0? Log 0 is undefined. Or we can even say that it is infinity. All right, students. So with this, and here it's always assumed base is E. Okay. All right. So with these concepts, we are moving on to log. All right. So always if it is multiplication means it is addition. If it is division means it is subtraction. All right. So log AB is log A plus log B. Log A by B is log A minus log B. Log A to the power B is nothing but B will come before log. So B log A. Log 1 is 0 and log 0 is undefined. All right. Yes. Quickly move on to the sum. So here the first sum is if log 2 is equal to 0.30103, then what is log 32? All right. So being the first sum, so let us do it for you. The answer is 2. How? So you can write log 32 as log 2 power 5. Isn't it? So what is 32? 32 is nothing but 2 power 5. Right? So we are writing 32 as log 2 power 5. So in this, using this rule, your 5 will come front. So it is 5 log 2. Yes. So what is log 2? Here we have, in the sum, they have given it as 0.30103. So 5 into 0.30103. So your answer is 1.50515. All right, students. Yes. So with this, let's move on to the next sum. All right. So this probably you will be asked to answer it, and I'll check in the chat box. So if log 0.00001 base 10 is equal to x, then what is the value of x? Yes. So quickly give me your answer in the chat box. Let's see how many are answering. All right. So for those, I mean, for others, let us do the sum. All right. So here, just take this 0.12345, isn't it? So we have after decimal 5 places. Is it right? So we can write it as log 10 to the power minus 5. And the base is 10. Is it clear? So in the third rule, what we studied, so minus 5 will come front. What is log 10 base 10 is 1. So your answer must be option 4, that is 5. Let's see how many have given me the right answer as option 4. All right, Shashank, Varun, Tej, many have given me the right answer. I know it takes time for you to think and then work out. No problem. Let's see the solution, how they have done. The same way they have done. The solution is 10 power minus 5. So where x is equal to minus 5. All right. Yes. See the next question. If log a x square base a. Okay. Log a base a into x square minus 5x plus 8 is equal to 2. So here there is one small correction in the sum. Here it should be log A base A, and this should come up, okay, to the power. Right? So then you can easily find out the answer where x square minus 5x plus 8 into, we can write this as log A base A, right, is equal to 2. So what is log A base A? It is 1. So 1 into x square minus 5x plus 8 is equal to 2. So x square minus 5x plus 8, when this 2 comes this side, it becomes minus 2. X square minus 5x plus 8 minus 2 is 6. So whereby you will get, we need to factorize this. X square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6 is 0. So x into x minus 3 minus 2 into x minus 3. X minus 3 and x minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, value of x is 2 or 3 or 3 or 2, whatever. This is how this problem has to be solved. Let's see the solution. Yes, it is option 1. Let me see how many have given me the answer as option 1. Yes, very good. Almost all. Srinidhi, Sai Vardhan, Geeta Devi, very good. Bhavana, Gayatri, excellent students. The names are really going in a length. So not possible for me to read all the names, but excellent. All right, good. Let's move on to the next sum. Here, log x square base 3 is 2. All right, the sum is log x square base 3. Let me write it in this color for your convenience. So it is log x square. The base is 3 is equal to 2. What is the value of x? Right? So very beautifully explained. It is nothing but x square is equal to, this will become 3 and 2 will go to the square. So what is x square? Is 3 square. So x square is 9. X is plus or minus 3. In other words, it is 3. Let us take the positive value because log always mostly it has the positive value. So log x, the value of x is 3. All right. Let's see. Yes. How many have given me the right answer? Let's see. Option 3. Yes, almost all. Before I finish the sum, I'm getting the answer. Excellent. So all of you are excellent in logarithm, isn't it? Yes. Let's move on to the next sum. Usually we'll have a positive value. Rarely we may also have a negative value. All right. See the next sum. Log root of 3 in that root 3 base 9 is dash. All right. Let's see how many. Just work it out. I'm giving you 40 seconds because these questions require surely 40 seconds. Let me see. I'm just taking the clock. Please do it by yourself. The answer is also done here. Let me see how many are giving me the answers. Is it option 1? Is it option 2? Or is it option 3? Or is it option 4? Yes. So, how is that you have to do? What is root 3? Is 3 power half, isn't it? So, and root of root 3 is 3 power 1 by 4. Root of, in that root 3 is 3 power 1 by 8. All right. So let's see the answer. It is option 2, 7 by 16. Let's see how. Quickly look into the solution, students. Log 9, you're writing it as 3 square because 3 square is 9. And how do you bring the numbers from the root is root 3 is 3 power half. All right. So next root 3 is 3 power 1 by 4. Right? Because half into half 1 by 4. And after that again another root 3. This will give us 1 by 8. All right. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 4. So 1 by 8. See the next step. Log 3. Right? and here base 3 to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8. Now let's take LCM for that. The LCM will be 4 plus 2 plus 1. All right. So it is log 3 base 3, 7 by 8. All right. So this is not E. This log 3. All right. To the power 7 by 8. So log 3 base 3 is 1. Right. So when the 7 by 8 comes this side, it will be 1 by 2 into 7 by 8 into 1, which is 7 by 8 2s are 16, which is 7 by 16. All right. So let's see how many have given me option 2. Sai Vardhan, correct? And the names are literally running. Yes. Sai Charan, Shashank, Sai Vardhan. All right. So many more. So this is how the sum has to be done. So I hope you would have made a note of this. Let's move on to the next sum. Log 128 base 8 is dash. One clue I'll give you. Write 128. Your time is already started, students. So quickly do the sum and give me the answer. For those who are who do not know, for them I'm telling. Write 128 as the base of 2. I mean to the power of 2. So what is 2 power? What is 128? All right. Then yes. So log 128 is 2 power 7 and 8 also can be written as 2 cube. Isn't it? Right? So in the previous sum, like how we did this log 2 base 2, this 7 will come to the front. Okay. And this 3 will go as the denominator. So log 2 base 2 is 1. So finally it should be 7 by 3. All right. Let's see the solution. Yes, the same has, they've given it as the solution. So the answer is option 1. Let's see how many have given me the correct option. Yes, almost all. Yogita, Sai Vardhan, Gayatri. Yes, many have given me option 1 is the right answer. Excellent. With this, we are moving on to the next question. The logarithmic form of 12 square is 144 is. How do you write this? This doesn't require any calculation, so no time is required for this. How would you write this logarithmic form? Is it option 1, option 2, option 3, option 4? Let's see how many are giving me the right answer. Let's see the chat box. Bhavana, check your answer. Sharan, check your answer. Yes, Pranati, you're right. Sai Vardhan, you're right. Okay. Just a second. All right. Yes. Let's move on. Many Varun Tej, Abhi. Okay. Right. Let's see the correct answer is option 2. All right. So log 144 base 12 is equal to 2. All right. See, the same explanation is being given. Let's move on to the next question. Log 125 by 16 is dash. Quickly start working out and give me the answer. For others, I'm just working it out. Quickly give me your answer. So log 125. We can write 125 as 5 cube, isn't it? By 4 square, we can write it as 2 power 4. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. What is log A by B? Log A minus log B, isn't it? So the power will come to the front of log. So 3 log 5 minus 4 log 2. Yes, so this should be the answer. Let's check. Yes. Let's see how many have given me option 4. Yogita, Sai Vardhan, please check your answer. Yes, Shashank, you're right. Sharan, you're right. Srinidhi, Saivardhan, Bhavana. All right. Almost everybody have given me the right answer. Excellent. The explanation is also the same. Let's move on to the next sum. The next one is log x square y cube x z power 4 by w power 5 in the expanded form is dash. All right. So quickly do it and give me the answer. So always log A into log B into log C is nothing but log A plus log B plus log C. What is log A? Log of A by B is nothing but log A minus log B. All right. So this is a very simple sum. I don't think you require more than 20 seconds. Let me check how many have given me, who have given me what answers. Yes, very good, very good. Almost all have given me option 1 is the right, correct answer. Yes, perfect. Very simple. Quickly check the solution. So x square into y cube by z power 4 by w power 5. So log of x square y cube z power 4 minus log of w power 5. So log x square plus log y cube plus log z power 4 minus log w power 5. Log x square can be written it as 2 log x plus 3 log y plus 4 log z minus 5 log w. All right, excellent. Next question. What is log 1 base a? In the initial giving, when I was telling you the formulas, I told you what is log 1. Let's see how many were attentive and let me check the answers. Srinidhi, you're right. Many are giving me the answers. Excellent. Perfect. Good. Right. So log 1 is 0. All right. See the next question. Log x base a is equal to n. How can you write this as? This is also very simple. Let's see how many are giving me the right answer. Very simple. Does not require any calculation at all. Yes, almost all have given me option 1 as a right answer. Perfect. Good. It is a power n is x. Perfect. Good. See the next question. What is log a? What is log of a into b? Right? So is it log a plus log b? Or is it log a into log b? Or is it log a minus log b? Or is it a into log b? So I'm sure I'll get a lot of correct answers. Yes. As I guessed, almost all are giving me the answer as option 1. Perfect. Yes. Log A into B is log A plus log B. All right. Yes. See the next question. What is log 2 base 2? This is very simple. Give me your answers very swiftly. Yes. Perfect. 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 It is option 3. Right. Perfect. Log 2 base 2 is 1. Right. Log A base A is 1. Fine. With that, we are moving on to the next question. What is log x base root 3 minus 4? If log x base 3 minus 4, it should be if log x base root 3 is equal to minus 4. 1 second. Let me correct the question. All right. So if log x base 3 is equal to 4, what is the value of x? Yes, students, quickly guess your answer. Do the sum and then give me your answer. No guesswork at all. So for others who are still trying to do, let me do the sum. So root 3 to the power 4 will be the value of x, right? So again, from base, I'm telling you root 3 to the power 4 is this. So root 3 into root 3 is 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. All right. So that will give the value of x is 9. Right. So let's check. Yes. Let me see how many have opted for option 3. Yes. Almost all. I don't have to read the names. Everyone is giving me option 3 as the right answer. Excellent. See the next question. What is the value of root of 2 plus in that root of 2 plus in that root of 2 plus and so on till infinity is dash? Yes. So this is indeed a very easy question. Let's check the answer. How many are giving me option yes? Again, many are giving me option 1 and which is right. Perfect. It is none other than 2, which is option 1. All right, see the next question. If if x to the power log 2 minus x base x is 3, then find the value of x. All right, so give me 1 second. Yeah, correct. So give me the answer for this. Let's see how many are giving me. Okay, so you just have to tell me which is the right answer. You have to work out and then give me the answer. Let's see how many are giving me the correct answers. Bhavna, you're right. Raven, all right, all right, all right. It does not exist because here the values are not properly given appropriately. That is why the option is it does not exist. There is no possibility of finding out the value of x here. All right. Yes. See the next question. If a is equal to b square is equal to c square, then what is log AB base E? All right. So then what is log AB base E? Let's see how many are doing it. So for others, let's try and do it. Yes. All right. So I'm just giving you one clue. You can assume, see, A is equal to B square is equal to C cube. Just consider this as K. Okay. So now you will be able to find out the answer. All right. So the time is already running. Using this, try to find out the answer. Let's see the key. And meanwhile, give me the answers. The answer is option 2, 9 by 2. How? Here we have assumed A is equal to B square is equal to C cube is equal to K. We have just assumed. So what is it? A is equal to K. So B square is equal to K. So if B square is equal to K, then B will be equal to K power half, isn't it? All right. Next, C cube is K. In other words, C is equal to K to the power 1 by 3. All right. So now let us move on to the question log AB base C. So you are just expanding log AB as log K, that is 1 by 3, K power log K base K 1 by 3 into K power half is nothing but log K log K power 1 by 3 into K power 3 by 2. All right. So log K base K will get cancelled or rather 1. So 3 by 2 by 1 by 3. So when 3 by 2, 1 by 3 goes to the numerator, it will become 9 by 2 into 1. In other words, it is 9 by 2. All right. So this can also be solved in another way. So quickly look into the board. So we have taken A is equal to K. All right. And what is B? B is K to the power half. All right. So log AB is nothing but log of K to the power 1 into K to the power half. What is K to the power 1? K to the power half. It is nothing but log K to the power 3 by 2. Right? So we are bringing 3 by 2 here. So 3 by 2 log K. So what is log K? It is nothing but C. Isn't it? So 3 by 2 log C. What is K? C cube. So 3 by 2 log C cube. So you're bringing 3 here, which is nothing but 9 by 2 into 1. Log C is 1. So that is how you are arriving at 9 by 2. So both are same, but you can also solve it using this method. All right. So let's move on to the next question. Log A base B is equal to C. Then what is A? Very simple. Options are given. Let me see how many are giving me the answers. Let's see. Yes, many. Sai Vardhan, Bhavana, Yogita, please check your answer. Gayatri, and the names are really running. I'm not able to read all the names. Perfect. It is option 2, that is B power C. How? Log A base B is C. So what is A? B to the power C. All right. See the next question. 4 into log 3 plus 2 into log 5 is dash. Yes. So 4 into log 3 plus 2 into log 5. So usually we do the other way. This sum, you need to think. So can we write log? Others, give me your answers. Let me also work out. So this 4 will go to the power. All right. Plus log 5, this 2 will go to the power. Usually if it is log 3 to the power 4, we write 4 log 3, isn't it? So here we are just writing here. What is 3 power 4 is 81. What is 5 square is 25. So log A plus log B is nothing but log A into B. So log 2025. That is how. Option 1. Sorry, where is 2? Sorry. Option 3, 2025 should be the correct answer. All right. So let's check. And how many have given me option 3 as correct answer? Yes. Srinidhi, Gayatri, Bhavna. All right. Yes. Just a second. Just a second. All right. Let's move on to the next question. We have log 0.0001 to the base 0.01 is dash. All right. So quickly work it out and give me the answers. One clue I can give you. Try to make this as something to the power of 0.01. Yes. So then you will be able to do. See, can I write 0.0001 as 0.01 to the power, 2, that is square. So whereby we'll have this. Okay. So the power will come to the front of the log, 2 log 0.01 to the base 0.01. Log A base A is 1, right? So therefore the answer should be 2 into 1, which is 2. Let's check the key. Yes. So your option is 1. Let's see how many are giving me the right answer. Yes, Srinidhi, you're right. Gayatri, you're right. Varun Tej, you're right. Taruni, you're right. Sharan, please check your answer. Sai Vardhan. Yes, Taruni, now you're right. All right, students. So you have to. Shashank, you're right. Please work it out and then give me the answer. All right, see the next question. We have 1 by log xy base x plus 1 by log xy base y. What is the value? Is it clear? I'm sure you must be able to give me the answer very easily. Others, quickly do it and give me the answers. So let me also do it for you. So I can make this, convert this as, instead of 1 by, I can write it as log x base xy, isn't it? So I'm making this as 1 by something. So I can convert it like that. Plus your base will become your, it will go in the place of e. So log y will become the base and xy will go in the place of e. All right. Right. So what is log x base xy plus log y base xy is nothing but, what is log a plus log b? It is nothing but log ab base xy. So log xy base xy is nothing but 1. Is it clear? So this is a very commonly asked question. So please practice this kind of question as well. All right. So let us move on to the next question. Logarithms are never defined to the base. What is the answer? Let's see, it is 1 because log 1 is 0. All right. See the next question. The exponential form of log 100 is equal to 2 is what? Right. So here we can write 100 as 10 square. All right. So that is how. So log 100 base 10 is 2, which is nothing but 10 square is 100. All right. See the next question. Log x by 27 base 2 by 3 is dash. Yes. So log 8 by 27. So the question should be like this. Log 8 by 27 base 2 by 3. All right. So this should be the base. Is it clear? So in this case, you can write 2 cube by 3 cube. The base is 2 by 3. So which is nothing but log 2 by 3 to the power 3. Base is 2 by 3. So this 3 comes here. So 3 log 2 by 3. Base 2 by 3. So what is log a base a is nothing but 1. So 3 into 1 is 3. That is why your option 3 should be the right answer. Let's check. Yes. All right, students. So due to insufficiency of time, I have to go little quickly. Let's move on to the next sum. 2 log 3 minus 5 log 2 plus 3 log 5 is dash. Right? So it is very simple. So 2 log 3 minus 5 log 2 plus 3 log 5 is nothing but, so the 2 goes to the power, isn't it? So 2 goes to the power. So we can write it as log 3 to the power 2. Log 3 square minus log 2 to the power 5 plus log 5 to the power 3. All right. So if it is subtraction, then it is division here. Right. And if it is multiplication, then it is an addition. That is how log 3 square into 5 cube by 2 power 5. So if you expand, you will get the value as this. All right, students, see the next question. Log of p square q cube by r. How can you write this as? We can write it as log of p square q cube by r, which is nothing but log p square plus log q cube minus r, log r. Because log a by b is log a minus log b, isn't it? So that is how your option 2 is right. All right. Yes, see the next question. If log 2 base 10 is 0.3010, then the number of digits in 4 to the power 2013 is dash. So just observe the sum because this requires calculation and it requires more than a minute. So that's why I'm doing it for you. So you just take 4 to the power 2013. So we can write 4 as 2 square or 2 square of 2013. You can multiply the power. 2 into 2013 is nothing but 4026. So 2 power 2 power 4026. So therefore, x is nothing but 2 power 4026. So log x is log 2 to the power 4026. So 4026 comes to the front. So it is 4026 log 2. Right. So here again we can do this as 406 into 0.3010. All right. So we can take log 2 base 10 by taking 406 outside. So you get 1211.8260. Take an anti-log of 1211.8260. So the number of digits is 1212. All right. So that is how we have taken the option 3 as the right answer. What is log a base a is 1. All right, students. And what is 9 base 81? So I think this, I can ask you to do this. Do the sum. Quickly give me the answer. All right. So with this, we will end up, but quickly give me the answer for this. So log 9 base 81 is nothing but 81 can be written as 9 square. All right. So half of log 9 base 9. Log 9 base 9 is 1. So half into 1 is half. All right, students. So excellent doing logarithms with you. I really enjoyed. Hope you all would have understood the format and the formulas for this logarithm. Please do practice. And thank you so much. Let me hand it over to Arun, sir. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Students, public speaking course గురించి మీకు already తెలిసి ఉంటుంది. For those who don't know, we are conducting a spoken English and a public speaking course. Those who want to attend demo class ఉంటుంది. Demo class attend చేయాలనుకుంటే Google form fill up చేయండి. All right. Do fill up the Google form if you want to attend demo class. Demo class attend చేయడానికి Google form fill up చేయండి. Demo class attend చేయడానికి నష్టం ఏం లేదు. మీరు attend చేసుకోవచ్చు. It's a free demo class. Then you can decide whether to join or not. It's depending on your choice and your willingness to improve yourself. But let me tell you one thing. మీరు ఎంత బాగా మాట్లాడినా కూడా there is always room for improvement. ఎప్పుడైనా బెటర్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. You can always better yourself so that one day you can become better than the best. All right. Google form ఉంటుంది, అది fill up చేయండి. వాట్సాప్ కమ్యూనిటీలో Google form షేర్ చేశారు. అక్కడ ఉంటుంది Google form. You please fill up the form. So to attend the demo class. All right. Is it clear, students?